Today we are going to cook brined beef steak with sweet potato and carrots. Our ingredients are beef gravy steak, five cups of water, 2.5 tablespoons of salt, pear, a whole black pepper, fresh rosemary leaves, came from my garden, herbal mix, it is a dried anise, here, herbal mix, but you don't need all, you just wait. I want you to see. This is the inside the plastic here. You don't need to put the dried dates. Just only put some little on. This portion only we need. We need also onion, carrots, and sweet potato. Also we need the barbecue sauce. Okay, let's start to cook. We need to boil the water to brine the beef. Let's start to cook. We need to put the water in it. To put the salt, the rosemary, the whole peppercorn. Don't let it boil. We need to turn off. When you see the salt is dissolved, then turn off your stove. Let's cool down and cover it. Put some ice. Put another peppercorn and the herbal heat. When the ingredients for brining are already done and the meat are already clean, I took the fat off into the meat, then put it in the container, pour the liquids. It's already cooled down. We need to put all. Don't worry about the rosemary, the ingredients here. Just take it off when we put it in the oven. Okay. Let's cover it. Sit it in the ref for about 5 hours. releasing the meat out of the fridge. Just like this. Then we need to put a little oil in the pan. So the meat and the onion will not stick in this pan. Then we put the onion here. We throw away this stuff. Just like that. Then put it here. Then we put it in the oven, 350 for just only 2 hours. Then after 2 hours, we need to put the sweet potato and the carrots. And then after that we put the barbecue sauce. Need to cover it with aluminum foil. No need to put soil or anything, just only like that. Now we put it in the oven. When the oven is ready for 350, 2 hours, after 2 hours in the oven, flip over the meat. Need a little barbecue sauce on the top of the meat. We put the remaining ingredients, carrots and sweet potato around the meat. Then put it back in the oven to cook the remaining ingredients. I forgot to tell you guys, you can purchase the herbal mix at Asian store. After 2 hours in the oven, we need to flip it over. Then we need to put the barbecue sauce. On the top of the meat. Put the remaining ingredients, sweet potato and carrots. Just like that. We need to cover it again. The remaining 1 hour, we need to put in the oven again. The remaining hours is for the remaining ingredients that we put. Brined beef steaks with carrots and sweet potatoes, and sprinkle with fennel leaves. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and likes my video. Thank you.